Hey everyone, it's Alex with Web Hosting Canada. Today, we're going to look at how to add a new website or domain to your web hosting account. Now, all Web Hosting Canada hosting accounts, with the exception of starter plans, support hosting multiple domains in addition to your primary domain. These are called add-on domains. With add-on domains, you can manage not only multiple websites, but also multiple email addresses, each with their own domain name from a single cPanel account. However, keep in mind that add-on domains also have certain limitations. For example, an add-on domain is managed from the same control panel and uses the same administrator credentials as your primary domain. Also, add-on domains are not isolated from your primary domain, and vice versa, the same way that separate hosting accounts are. So a sudden resource usage or a security incident to one of your domains can potentially negatively impact all of your domains on the same account. So, if you need to share a single website login with your developer, or if you want to ensure improved reliability and security, we recommend ordering separate web hosting accounts for each important website instead. Now, before you can use an add-on domain, you'll need to register its associated domain name or point it to your hosting service by updating its name servers. You can easily register a new domain name or transfer an existing domain name through the Web Hosting Canada website's Domains section. Now, let me show you how easy it is to create an add-on domain. First, log into cPanel. Once we are inside cPanel, you can either search for the word domains in the top bar here, or you can click on the domains tool down here in the domains section. There are actually two ways that you can create an add-on domain, using the domains tool or using the add-on domains tool. But I'm going to show you how to do it using the domains tool. Once you're inside the domains tool, click on Create a New Domain. And then enter your domain name. I'm just going to call this one secondsite.com. Directly below, we have the option to share the document root. If checked, the new domain will display the same content as your primary domain. Now, this can be useful if you only want to manage emails or DNS for this new domain without creating a new website for it. But since we want to create a different website, we want to uncheck this box so that the website will have its own folder to live in. The folder is automatically given the same name as the domain, and a subdomain of the account's primary domain is also created, but that's probably not something that you need to worry about. By creating an add-on domain, you're creating a space for your new website to live and also giving yourself the ability to create email addresses associated with that domain. Once you're satisfied with the domain name and folder, click the Submit button. Now, this may take a few moments, but when it's finished, the folder for your website will have been created. You can click on the link to the source folder to open it in File Manager and upload your content directly to the space. You'll also notice that adding an add-on domain unlocks the ability to publish new website projects into this domain through the Presence Builder or install new software like WordPress from our One-Click Apps tool, which is right back here in cPanel. There's the Presence Builder and there's the One-Click Apps installer. Now, if we go back to the domain section and click on Manage next to our add-on domain, you'll find several options, including the option to create an email address, which we'll explore in a separate video. Well, now you know how to create a new add-on domain with your web hosting account. Leave us a comment if you found this helpful or if you have any questions, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.